Hello everyone, and thank you for watching Edupedia World videos. We will continue with the next part of Define Enterprise Structure in SAP ERP System. In previous lecture, we defined our sales organization. We assign our sales organization to a company code. We define two distribution channels and assign them to our sales organization. After that, we defined two divisions and assigned them to our sales organization. And now, we'll continue to define our organizational structure in SAP ERP system, and the next step will be setting up a sales area. A sales area is the bare minimum structure required to process a sales transaction in the SD module. Sales area combines the sales organization, distribution channel, and division that we have created so far. You cannot create a sales order or enter a customer master record in SD without a sales area. So far, we have created one sales organization, two distribution channels, and two divisions. Now it's time to use our sales organization, distribution channels, and divisions to set up sales area. Now we'll set up our sales organization. Again, go to SPRO transaction, SAP reference IMG, go to enterprise structure, go to assignment, sales and distribution, and click on Setup Sales Area. Here you see the list of all sales areas in the system, and you press New Entries to add new sales areas. Sales organization. We need to create our sales areas for test sales organization. So we enter test here, or we can find our sales organization pressing this small button. Here we see the list of all sales organizations, and double click on test sales organization. After that, we need to find our distribution channel. We assigned two distribution channels to this sales organization. So we see the list of these two entries, one retail sales and one internet sales. We need to assign our division to every entry. So first we enter ER, retail sales, and find division 50, computers. Press enter. Then we need to add a second combination, a second sales area. So distribution channel will be the same, retail sales, but division will be the next one, PT1, t-shirts. Again, enter test sales organization. Distribution channel will be internet sales. Division will be computers. Press enter. And the last entry, sales organization test, sales organization test, distribution channel, internet sales, and division, t-shirts, and press enter. So now we set up 4 sales areas for the combination of sales organization, distribution channel, and division. After we make all changes here, we press Save button. We have a system message. Data was saved. So this means that we have successfully created our sales areas. We can press Back button, and in the list of all sales areas we can find our sales organization and sales area for that sales organization. Okay, and here we see our new sales areas for sales organization test, and we can return to SAP Easy Access menu. The next element of the organizational structure in Sales and Distribution module is Sales Office. In SAP, you can maintain various sales-related geographical locations of your organization as sales offices. You can set up a sales office in SAP to represent a branch office or even a sales territory. To define our sales office, we go to SPRO transaction. Follow SAP reference IMG. Go to enterprise structure. Go to definition. Go to sales and distribution. And click on maintain sales office. Here we see the list of sales offices in the system. Press new entries to add new sales office. The fields of the new entry screen are as follows. Sales office. Here you enter a 4-character numeric or alphanumeric identifier key to your sales office. Description. Here you enter a description for your sales office. The description can be a maximum of 20 characters long. Address button. Here you enter the communication address for your sales office. To enter an address for a sales office, we need to select the required sales office, but first we need to create it. So the first step, create our sales office. Technical name. Sales or COFF. Test sales office will be description, and press enter. System automatically open new window. New window for address data. Name. Name will be test sales office. Search item will be test. Street house number. Street will be Main Street. House number 125. Postal code will be 94105. Country United States. Region California. And city Los Angeles. Okay, and we can fill all other entries, but for now we can leave them blank and press copy. So now when we select our sales office and press address, we will see all data that we entry in previous step. Again, press copy and press save. Data was saved successfully. We can return to the main screen. Once you have defined a sales office, the next step is to assign the sales office to a sales area. You can reach the customization screen to assign a sales office to a sales area by using transaction code SPRO. SAP reference ING, enterprise structure, assignment, sales and distribution, assign sales office to sales area, double click. Press new entries. And now we can enter all sales areas which we need to assign to sales office. So test sales organization, distribution channel, retail sales, division, computers, and sales office. Our new sales office, SOFF, test sales office. Next sales area, sales organization test, distribution channel, retail sales, division, t-shirts, sales office, test sales office. Next one, test distribution channel, internet sales, division, computers, and test sales office. And the last one, sales organization test, distribution channel, internet sales, division, t-shirts, and sales office, test sales office. And now we can save our data. Data was saved and we have successfully assigned sales office to our sales areas. We can go back to the main screen. The next level of organizational structure is sales group. A sales group represents the grouping of your sales staff. This grouping is generally made on the basis of areas of responsibility. For example, you may have one group of sales staff that only allocates government contracts and another group that deals with everything else. To define our sales group, go to Customization Guide, Transaction SPRO, SAP Reference IMG, Enterprise Structure, Definition, Sales and Distribution, Maintain Sales Group. Click New Entries button to open the New Entry screen. On the New Entry screen, you see two fields: Sales Group and Description. Sales Group. Here we can enter a 3-character numeric or alphanumeric identifier key in this field. And description, we can enter a description for our sales group. The description can be a maximum of 20 characters long. Sales group GGG and sales group RRR. First sales group will be government contracts and reseller contracts, and press enter. Press save button, and we have successfully defined our sales group, one for government contracts and one for reseller contracts. Once you have defined a sales group, the next step is to assign the sales group to the sales offices from which it can operate. So we can go to Enterprise Structure, Assignment, Sales and Distribution, assign sales group to sales office. Press New Entries button. First, we need to find our sales office. Our sales office is SOFF, Test Sales Office. And enter sales group. First sales group is government contracts. Press enter. And the next entry is sales office and sales group for reseller contracts. Press enter and press save button. And now we have successfully assigned our sales group to sales office. And we can return to the main screen. Next step in organizational structure is configuring plants. In SAP, a plant is an organizational entity central to the logistics operation. A plant can be a production facility, a material stock location, or even a repair facility. From the point of view of SAP SD, a plant can be defined as a material stock location from where you can source the delivery of goods to your customers. Now we will define our plant. Go to customization screen, SAP reference ING, enterprise structure, definition, logistics general, define, copy, delete and check plant. Click on define plant. Press new entries, and the fields of the new entry screen are as follows. The plant. Here you enter a 4-character identifier key for your plant. Name 1 and name 2. Here you provide identifying name or description for your plant. Detailed information. The various fields under this grouping are used to capture the address details to the plant. This includes information such as the house number, street, region, country, city, postal code, PO box. As you can see, all these fields are grayed out. You need to click on the address button to maintain this address data. But first, we'll create an abbreviation of plant TAST, test. Name 1 will be test plant. Now enter the name test plant, title company, search item text, country United States, street local street, house number 5, postal code 95105, city Denver, region TX, Texas. Press enter, and we have factory calendar. The value in this field represents the operational factory calendar for the plant. A factory calendar sets the working, non-working dates for a plant. We see USA factory calendar and check it. After that, press save. The window again shown with address data and press continue. Data was saved. This means that we have successfully defined a plant. We can return to main screen. Okay, and once you have defined a plant, the next step is to assign it to its respective company code. This is very important because all of the material movements are carried out in the framework of a plant. Each material movement that results in a financial transaction requires posting to accounting. These settings provide the link between the plant and the company code for such posting. It is very important that plant has a one-to-one relationship with the company code. You cannot assign the same plant to multiple company codes. Also, one company code can have multiple plants assigned. We can reach the customization screen to assign a plant to its respective company code. Go to Enterprise Structure, Assignment, Logistics General, and click on Assign Plant to Company Code. Press New Entries. Find our test company code. It was P080 and our plant test. And press Enter. Press Save button. And now we have successfully assigned our plant to our company code. And we can return to the main screen. Once plant is defined, the next step is to assign the combination of sales organization and distribution channel to the list of allowed plants from where the sales organization can sell the goods. If you miss these settings, you will not be able to create an order in SAP. When you create an order in the SAP system, SAP looks into the customization settings to find out whether there is any plant assigned to the combination of sales organization and distribution channel used in the sales order. If no entry is found, SAP generates an error message stating that it could not find an entry for the plant. Now go to Customization Guide. SPRO transaction, SAP reference IMG, Enterprise Structure, Assignment, Sales and Distribution, Assign Sales Organization Distribution Channel to Plant. Double click. Press New Entries. Sales Organization. Our sales organization is Test. Distribution Channel. Retail Sales. And Plant. Test Plant. Press Enter. And the second entry is Sales Organization Test. Distribution Channel. Internet Sales. And Plant is Test Plant. Press Enter. And now you can save changes. Now We have successfully assigned our combination of sales organization and distribution channel to plant. Return to the main screen. We will continue in next lecture, and for now, thank you for watching Edupedia World videos.